Hello viewers, today in this video I am gonna show you how to turn off call option on TikTok 2026. Okay, let's start the video. First of all, go to your TikTok apps. Now tap on profile icon. Now tap on three dot icon in the corner. Now tap on setting and privacy. Now tap on notification. Scroll down. Now tap on voice calls. Now tap on no one. From now on, no one will be able to call you on TikTok, but you can still call anyone you want. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.